We have with us renowned career guru of North India, Mr. Dinesh Nagpal, who is also running Hisar Center of Career Launcher, and he is also a noted commentator of international cricket matches. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to Mera Desh channel. So today's lecture was on for non-medical stream students.
Yes.
So do you think that such lectures help parents and students in a more informed manner rather than the internet or other TV shows?
You're right. Okay. First thing fundamentally I would like to tell you is that for parents especially, information is power. So when you want to decide a career or choose a college, please gather maximum information. So today what we have tried to do is we have to try to provide information to the students about different colleges and majorly about different branches of engineering and what kind of scopes these branches offer. So, a lot of students have this misconception that X branch is better than Y branch, but this is not a fact. All the engineering branches can be good, are very good, if they are handled. If you are a good engineer, every branch is good.
So, as you have a long standing of counseling, running coaching classes, and guiding the career of students, maybe a non-medical student, or maybe a medical or a commerce student, or those who are willing to have a career in management. So, do you think that at the school level or the college level, there is some less interest or maybe a less environment where they don't get as much knowledge which is necessary to make a good career choice?
Unfortunately, our school education system and college education system does not involve career planning as such. Does not involve career planning as such. It actually involves only academic knowledge, academic gathering, accumulation of certain books, not even acquisition of mental aptitude. So I think if the schools and colleges are not doing it, parents should realize there are a lot of people in the market with this kind of standardized test. So they can go to them. They can, like us, Career Launcher is running a test called Future Man. It is a 2-hour long test where we conduct a test on the students and tell student exactly. It is a 17-page report after that they get that what actually they are doing. Now what is happening, unfortunately, right now only a limited section of the society is coming to us. Whereas it should be more. So just because our government system is not offering it, I think there is no need to worry. There are a lot of good career counselors available in the market who will do this test.
So, sir, in the end, I would like to congratulate you on a long standing and guiding the students for their career. The last word I would like to have from you that what should be the attitude of the students when they enter in the class 8th, 9th, and onwards, and what extra facilities in the commercial like coaching classes, what extra facilities or what extra knowledge you are trying to provide them at a very early level of
See,
schooling?
for school students, or especially for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th students, we have launched a product called Transform, where we are looking to transform the students. It is a pre-career care program. I believe that career planning does not start in 12th or 11th. Career planning starts in 9th onwards. So the students, I'll request them that they should start thinking about their careers right after 8th, not at the moment they reach 8th rather. So for that we have launched this program 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Through your channel, I would like to invite all the parents and students of schools that whatever doubts they have problem, they can always walk into us, they can write to us, they can meet us. Career Launcher is available in Hisar. Career Launcher is ready to help. So Transform is one area which is going to transform the students. So please, this career planning should begin early because the child's learning capacities are best between the age of 6 to 14 years. After that, the learning curve starts declining. So if we tap the talent early, that will be very good.
What should be your advice to the parents? for early checking the students at the early stage for their career growth?
They can go for the test. One, two. First of all, they should have complete information about all the career options available today. If they do not have information, because they know the traits of their child and they can understand this X career demands certain traits and this Y career demands certain traits, and then they can apply their own minds that my child has some traits, this career would be better for them. So information is power. Please gather as much as information possible.
Thank you,
Thank
sir,
you, sir.
for giving us time. Thank you. very much.
Thank you, Sudhirji. Thank you so much.